Number 5. The Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 is a striking fusion of contemporary design and enduring Swiss watchmaking excellence, a timepiece that effortlessly commands attention with its sleek profile and refined aesthetic. From the moment you set eyes on it, the PRX captivates with its sporty yet elegant silhouette, characterized by an impeccably integrated bracelet that flows seamlessly into a slim, polished case. At the heart of this watch lies the Powermatic 80 movement, a cutting-edge automatic caliber that delivers a remarkable 80-hour power reserve, ensuring reliable performance whether it's worn daily or set aside over the weekend. The dial, available in a range of sophisticated hues, features crisp, luminous indices and hands that brighten in low light, underscoring Tissot's commitment to both form and function. Protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, the face remains clear and vibrant through the rigors of everyday wear, while the exhibition case back offers a captivating view of the finely finished movement within. Water-resistant and built with precision engineering, the PRX Powermatic 80 exemplifies versatility, effortlessly transitioning from casual daytime looks to formal evening attire. Number 4. The Tissot Seastar 1000 Powermatic 80 is a remarkable dive watch that embodies both exceptional performance and classic Swiss craftsmanship, designed for those who seek adventure without compromising on style. Its robust stainless steel case and unidirectional rotating bezel give it a bold, purposeful presence, while the dial, with its large, luminous indices and hands, ensures superior legibility in all lighting conditions, especially underwater. Powered by the advanced Powermatic 80 automatic movement, this watch offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, allowing it to keep accurate time even if not worn for several days. With a water resistance rating of up to 300 meters, the Seastar 1000 stands ready for deep dives and aquatic excursions, complemented by a screw-down crown that enhances its durability against pressure and moisture. The sapphire crystal protects the dial with a clarity and scratch resistance that maintains a pristine look through daily wear and more extreme environments. Whether paired with its solid bracelet or comfortable rubber strap, the Tissot Seastar 1000 Powermatic 80 delivers a perfect blend of rugged functionality and refined aesthetics, making it a compelling choice for both diving enthusiasts and watch lovers who appreciate reliable performance and timeless design. Number 3. The Tissot Gentleman Powermatic 80 Silicium is a refined expression of contemporary elegance and technical precision, crafted to appeal to those who value sophistication without sacrificing performance. Its polished yet understated design presents a versatile aesthetic that transitions seamlessly from business attire to weekend leisure, anchored by a sleek stainless steel case and a beautifully finished dial that offers clarity and depth. At the core of this timepiece is the Powermatic 80 movement enhanced with a silicon balance spring, a cutting-edge feature that significantly boosts resistance to magnetic fields and contributes to exceptional long-term accuracy. With an impressive 80-hour power reserve, the Gentleman ensures reliable timekeeping whether it's worn continuously or left idle over a weekend. The dial's finely detailed hands and indices are complemented by a date window that enhances everyday functionality, all protected beneath a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal that preserves the watch's pristine appearance through daily wear. Number 2. The Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar is a groundbreaking timepiece that seamlessly blends advanced technology with Swiss watchmaking craftsmanship, designed for those who demand innovation without sacrificing style. Its sleek, modern case houses a range of smart functions activated through a highly responsive touch-sensitive sapphire crystal, allowing wearers to access features such as altimeter, compass, weather, activity tracking, notifications, and more with intuitive taps and gestures. What truly sets this watch apart is its solar charging capability, which harnesses light to significantly extend battery life and reduce the need for frequent charging, making it an ideal companion for everyday life and outdoor adventures alike. The hybrid design integrates connected features with traditional analog hands, offering the best of both worlds, the familiar elegance of a classic wristwatch and the convenience of modern smartwatch functionality. Number 1. The Tissot Heritage Visodate Automatic is a beautifully refined timepiece that pays homage to the brand's rich history while presenting a timeless, elegant aesthetic suited for the modern wearer. Its design captures the essence of mid-20th century sophistication, with a clean, uncluttered dial that features a gracefully arched date window seamlessly integrated at the 3 o'clock position, offering functional clarity without detracting from its classic charm. Encased in polished stainless steel and protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, the watch exudes a sense of enduring quality with every detail, from the slender, faceted hands to the applied indices, meticulously crafted for both style and readability. At its core lies a dependable automatic movement that delivers reliable timekeeping and the satisfying experience of mechanical precision on the wrist, eliminating the need for battery changes and inviting the wearer to connect with traditional horology. With its balanced proportions, understated elegance, and a design language that effortlessly bridges past and present, the Tissot Heritage Visodate Automatic stands as a testament to timeless watchmaking, offering a versatile companion that complements both formal and casual attire with grace and enduring appeal.